Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany and today I'm going to be showing you a haul of products that I have been picking up here and there and have been hoarding for a little while now, and I think it's finally time to share them and put them into rotation in my collection. And yeah, so I have some items from Jouer as well as E.L.F, Mirabella Beauty, and a couple other things here and there. And I do have a very exciting thing at the end, which I received my very first official PR package from the company Juno & Co, and they were nice enough to send me one of their products to test out and try to review for my channel, which I'm going to be doing, and look forward to doing that video for you guys. And if you're curious to see what that is, then make sure you stay tuned to the end and I will share that with you. So I picked up, the first box that I have is from E.L.F. So if you can't guess, of course I had to pick up both those Face Duo palettes because they are beautiful and I had to have them. So, I mean, I technically didn't, but I did, you know what I mean. So I grabbed 6 of them and one of them did come broken. That was the bronzer one, and I was really excited to try it, but I did email E.L.F and they said they were going to send a new one out, so I'm just waiting for that to come in. And the ones that I picked up, I'm just going to show you, and I will insert swatches of these as I'm going along. I did grab the pomegranate, cantaloupe, white peach, lychee, watermelon, and those are the ones that I grabbed. And I also decided to pick up 2 more of the eyeshadow quads, so I did grab Cream and Sugar, just a nice neutral palette, beautiful, as well as the Hot Jalapeno, which was the one I originally wanted from the beginning, but it kept selling out and I finally was able to get my hands on it. So those are all $3 a piece and great for travel if you are deciding to travel anywhere. I know a lot of us are not, but once we do, that will be something that comes in handy. I wanted to also point out, I know I've seen some reviews on there and people were wondering about brushes and the size of these, of how to get your brushes in there. This is my favorite brush that I have. It's from Primark actually. It's just a dual-ended powder brush, and I just wanted to show that yes, they do fit in there. This one is a little bit larger and they do fit in there pretty well, so no fear, you can use these with your favorite brush and they are big enough to get in there. So I just wanted to share that. The next item that they actually sent to me was in my package, and it was just free with the order. They sent me the HD Lifting Concealer in the shade Light, and this is currently on sale on the website for $1.60, which is a really good deal. A lot of the makeup companies obviously are having some really good sales this weekend. Now I can't get it open. It's actually what I have on my eyes today. I decided to give it a try. I cannot get it open, but it just looks like this. It's a decent size and it's, again, in the shade Light. So really excited to have that to try. And they did send also the Correct and Set eye powder, and this is the banana shade, and this is also on sale right now for $1.60 on their website. So I love them because they do send free products in your orders all the time, so that's really nice. And they did send this really cute thing. This is the E.L.F. Hand Sanitizer. So of course, with all of the COVID, I know that a lot of companies are starting to do this where they send out a free hand sanitizer, so I thought that was cute that they put that in there. I did pick up one of the Ride or Die lip balms that are new because they were very intriguing to me. These are $5 a piece, and I did pick up the shade Tough Cookie, and it smells amazing. It smells like brown sugar, and it tastes like brown sugar, and it's just a really nice caramely shade, perfect for the fall, and I actually have it on my lips. So this is a little bit of a thicker formula, and it does feel really nice and hydrating on the lips. I've had it on for about an hour now for the first time, and it feels comfortable to wear. So I am thinking about picking up maybe another one of the colors that they have, because I think that's a really nice deal, and it's a very generous size, so it should last for quite a while. And the last thing that I picked up from their website was one of their eyebrow pencils, because the one I'm currently using is almost done and I wanted to give this a try. So I picked mine up in the shade Taupe. These are $2 and it just has your typical, I have hair everywhere. In case you didn't notice, my hair is a different color, but yeah, so that is that. And it just feels really creamy so far and has nice little brush strokes for it. So for $2 you can't go wrong, and excited that I picked that one up. So moving on, I picked up some items from the website Mirabella Beauty. I never heard of Mirabella Beauty, but I was watching someone's video, and I'm sorry I can't remember who it was, but if I can remember I will link it. They had the highlighter, so that's originally what sent me to their website, and I was very excited to see that their highlighter was actually on sale. So I was lucky enough to pick that up. I picked up a couple other items from their website as well. So what I decided to pick up, I wrote some notes down so I wanted to make sure that I talked about them, is they have these items on their website right now still on sale. So if you're interested in any of these, I would definitely grab them. The first one is this cheeky blush. This is on sale for $5 right now, and it's in nice packaging. It's in the shade Lively, and it's just a really pretty peachy pink shade. Now the one thing I did notice, the cap comes off like this, is when I went to use it, it fell out. So I had to push this part back in, but no big deal. It still works very nicely, and it's just a really creamy, powdery finish and feels really light on the skin. So I was really excited to pick that one up. And I also found an eyeshadow palette, which I was really excited to try. Now this is no longer on the website, so if you do go on there and you see anything like that, I would grab it. I believe I paid $10 for it, and it is in the shade Glisten. So these are really pretty colors here. Let me show you what it looks like. So I'll show some picture, or I'll insert some pictures, but this is what the palette looks like. And you get 7 shades in here. So it looks like this. Sorry if I'm blinding you, but just really, really pretty colors here. Very soft. It's a little powdery, but it blends out nicely. And some of them I am going to try also as a highlighter, because I think they'll look really pretty. So I will give that a try, and I'll get back to you guys and let you know what I think about it. I also grabbed one single eyeshadow because of the packaging. I could not pass it up. So this is the Pink Blossom Eye Lights eyeshadow, and look at this packaging. It is gorgeous. It's in the shape of a pretty flower, and it's this very pretty pink, glistening, pretty pink, gorgeous shade right here. So that I am super excited to try on my lids. I have not tried it yet, but if it's anything like the other one, I'm sure it will be beautiful. And the last thing was the highlighter. So I did pick this one up. They do have this on the website still, and it's $10 on sale. This is in the shade Shimmering Pearl. And look at this beauty. This is absolutely stunning, and it looks gorgeous. It's again very little powdery, but beautiful on the skin, and just gives a very nice glow. And I like how the packaging is as well too. So very pretty, and excited to have picked those items up. And then I did pick up, oh yeah, the Jackie Aina palette. I know everyone has seen this, but I was resisting for a really long time, and then my friend here on YouTube, Pretty as a Peacock, her name is Andrea. She was talking about this palette, and that was it. I was like, all right, that's it, I'm done. So I ordered it, and luckily it's still on the website, and I was able to pick it up for $31.50. It's still on there now for the same price, and obviously we know what this looks like. It's stunning. It's so pigmented. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous, and I'm so excited to have this finally in my collection, and I love the packaging. It's so beautiful. So very excited about that one. The next thing I picked up was another eyeshadow palette. Now this came from TJ Maxx. They don't have it on the website anymore. Again, they're doing some really good sales this weekend, but they don't have it on their website anymore, but Ulta does have it still on their website, and that would be the BH Cosmetics Sylvia Ghani eyeshadow palette. So originally when I saw this at Ulta, I thought it was very pretty, but passed on it, and then I found it at TJ Maxx. I think I found it for $6.99, so I just grabbed it. So it looks like this, and it comes with 22 shades. It actually got really, really good reviews on Ulta, and it retails on their website for $24. So you can still pick this up if you were interested in getting it. Comes with a nice size mirror, and the colors that I actually have on my eyes today are in this palette. So I went with really simple with this wolf shade here, and then I went with Obsessed all in the crease, and then I just topped it with this hazel color all over the lid. And I did try the opal shade just for the inner quarter highlight. I'm not 100% in love with this one because it's very glittery, and it's not very, it's a little too powdery, but it's beautiful still, and I was really excited to find this for such a good price. So I picked that one up. And the last items that I grabbed were from Jouer. So I was watching a video, I can't remember who it was, but I know a lot of my friends here were talking about it in their Will I Buy It series. And when I saw it on someone's channel, I saw it and I was like, I need that. So I grabbed it. So I picked up, of course, the Sweet Cheeks palette. And this is in the Champagne and Macaroon collection. So the packaging originally is what sold me on it because it's absolutely stunning. And the colors are beautiful. Let me show you here what they look like. And this is actually the palette that I'm wearing on my face today. So I have on the bronzer, which is in the shade, let me see here, Suntan. And then they also have two blushes, so this Delight Me and Romance Me, and then the highlighter is in Citrine. So I have the highlighter on. This is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And then I put on the shade Delight Me. I'm lying. I put on the shade Romance Me on my cheeks. So very gorgeous, and very excited to have this because, like I said, it's just absolutely beautiful. And then in that, on the website, you can obviously buy them individually, as well as Sephora has them, and it retails for $34. They do have two different ones. I am thinking about picking up the other one, and that is the Cheeky Crush, and it's a deeper version of that palette, but I am thinking about picking that up. But they did have a bundle, and it's still available now. If you want to pick up that palette as well as you get these two other items, you can get all of them for $58, which is a really good deal. And it comes with the shimmer lip gloss, and this is in the shade Pearl, and this is gorgeous. So I don't know if you're going to actually be able to see it, but it has almost like this purplish reflect in it. It's so hard to see here with this glare. I'm so sorry, but this is absolutely stunning and beautiful, and it retails for $19. So again, if you want to pick it up, it's definitely worth it to get it in that bundle. And it's just so beautiful. It smells like vanilla. Oh, it's so good. And then they also comes with the essential, what is this called? Essential Lip Enhancer, and it's a Shine Balm in the shade Champagne Kiss. So this is really pretty packaging. It's this light pink shade, has this beautiful gold detail on there with the Jouer name, and it's just this really pretty peachy, gorgeous lip balm shade. Has a little bit of some shimmer in it. It's just very moisturizing. Again, has the same vanilla scent to it, just a sweet vanilla. And that is so exciting to have. And I think that's it. So they sent this cute little We Rise mirror in here. I'm going to throw this in for my next giveaway because that should be coming up very soon. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, because when we get to 1,000, I have a really cool giveaway planned and I have all of it ready to go. So that's that. But here we go. Here is the last thing, and this was the PR item that I got from Juno & Co. So they emailed me and they asked me about sending me a product, and of course I said yes, because I actually never tried anything from them before. I've heard about their sponges, but I've never tried anything from them, so really excited to, of course, try something from the brand. And it came in this box, and this is the product. And then they sent me this cute little handwritten note. And it says, share your Juno vibes and give your followers 10% off. Use the code KLING15. So I will link that down below. And it says, we hope you enjoy our Moonshine Primer with 3% avocado oil. The vitamins are in our moonshine, help maintain hydration. And it's just, and with a healthy glow. So this is a little card here, and the packaging, when I open this up, is stunning. I know I say the word stunning a lot, but it is. So it's right now on their website on sale for $22.40. It's supposed to soften, brighten, and minimize pores. And I have it on, and I tried it for the first time today, and I do think that it does do those things, because my skin looks very pretty today, and I feel like it definitely had something to do with the primer, because I didn't use anything else different than what I normally do. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. So it comes in this sleeve, and you open that up. It just comes off like that, and then it's in another little box. So once you open the box, it looks like this. I love it. It has stars in there. It's so beautiful, and it says you got it glowing on. Apply cream to face and neck with a gentle massage until fully absorbed. And it says, baby, you're a star on the inside. So cute. And it says close your eyes and make a wish when you open it up in that way. So I love this. Packaging is just absolutely beautiful. So it opens up, and look at this. Look how pretty this is. It actually looks like the galaxy. And this, of course, is their Moonshine Primer, if you've never heard of it before. And it's very nice packaging. It's got weight to it. And when you open it up, it's just really pretty. Open this up, and this is what the primer looks like. So it's a primer and moisturizer in one. Fragrance free. There's no smell to it, so if you're sensitive to fragrance, then you really might enjoy this. And when I used it, it's thicker, and I love that consistency of products for any kind of moisturizer, and it has just a really nice feel to it, and my makeup went on effortlessly, and I'm so excited to actually have this. So I am planning on doing a 7-day wear and test video on this, and just kind of compare it to some other popular primers that are out there and see how they look under the skin. So I'll take some pictures and just kind of compare it and see how it makes my skin feel after the week of using it. So if you're interested, again, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that will be coming up very soon on my channel. And yeah, I'm so thankful that they sent this to me. So thank you to Juno & Co. for taking the time to do that. And I will definitely be sharing my thoughts and opinions on that. So that's going to be it for this channel's beauty haul today. And I just want to tell you guys, I have another box about this size full of more makeup that I've been picking up, and I didn't want to put it all in one because I feel like this video is probably already too long, but that will be coming up in a few videos, because I really want to just get this into the collection, put it in rotation, because I don't use it until I share it. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you very soon in the next one.